So in this video, I'm going to provide you a brief introduction of Mendeley, how we can use Mendeley Reference Manager for our referencing. You can search for Mendeley Reference Manager. You will find this link. Go to this link, download the setup, and it will be installed within no time. So once you have installed it, you need to sign in. So there are two ways of signing in. Either you can create a personal account or you can log in via your institution as well. Uh, so if you want to log in via institution, just simply type in your institutional email, press continue, access through your institution, and you will be logged in to your Mendeley library. So once you log in, the next step is to add the literature to the Mendeley library. So currently this Mendeley library is empty. I can add the literature using either a BibTeX file. If I have a BibTeX file, I can simply just import the library from the BibTeX. But if I do not have a BibTeX library, I can add entries manually. Or if I have downloaded some files from different databases like Science Direct or Willy or Emerald, and I have those in my computer, I can upload those files and Mendeley will automatically fetch all the information of those documents. So for instance, I click files from computer and I select these two files, open. Now uploading two files, and these two files are now uploaded to my Mendeley library. I can add as many files as I want. So see, I have uploaded now 5 different files in Mendeley library. If you double click on any of these papers, they will be opened in Mendeley. You can highlight your text if you want. If there is some important text that you want to highlight, simply select it and it will be highlighted. If you want to put your some personal notes, click on this comment box, click here wherever you want to put the comments, and you can write your own notes. This is the introduction section, and here you can see the comment box. If you want to see your comments at any later stage, simply click on this and you will see the comments. You can also edit them at a later stage as well. Now if I close it, still I can find my comments and highlighted text because it is synced with the Mendeley server. You can also create different collections or different folders. If you have multiple research projects and you want to organize your literature with respect to each project separately. For instance, if I am uh, doing a project on COVID-19, I can create a folder called COVID-19, press enter. And another project that I am working on is bank stability. So if you click on any of the folders, you can add your collection separately to these folders. So see, now I have uploaded these 5 folders to a bank stability folder. But if you want to see all the papers, those are available in the Mendeley library. You can click on all references and it will show you all the papers. Those are part of the Mendeley library. Now let's come to the referencing part. If you go to this tools menu, you will see install Mendeley site for Microsoft Word. So if you are a Word user, you need to install an add-in of Mendeley. You simply go to the tools bar and install this add-in. It will be installed very quickly. So once you have installed this Mendeley add-in for Word, go to the References tab and you will find this Mendeley site icon. Click on this icon and your Mendeley library will be opened in uh, in Word. So there are two ways of finding a reference or putting a reference. For example, if I write a statement that capital structure is an important decision for a finance manager and I want to put a reference. Either I can find the paper like this that I want to cite here, or if you have added too many papers and you find it very difficult to find the paper, you can simply use the search option and you can either search by the title of the paper or you can also search by the title of the author. So here I wrote capital structure. Now there are two articles related to capital structure. I selected this one, insert citation. If I want to add one more reference against the same statement, let's search with the name of author this time. So I searched Albert. This article is shown. This is added here. Press save changes and you will see that two references are added against the same sentence. Now if you want to add your bibliography, simply click on these three dots and insert bibliography, press continue, and it will provide you complete list of the references that you have already added in your document. And as you will keep on editing your document and keep on adding the references, this list will be also be automatically updated. For instance, if I write an other statement here that according to and I want to quote let's say Zhang, no, yeah. Now you have to move this cursor from out of this box. Just simply press the right arrow. I have written this statement. So you can see that the reference of Zhang was automatically added to the bibliography list. But if you read this sentence, here the reference should be connected with the sentence. And in this style of referencing, only year is placed in parentheses and this name is outside parentheses. So you can simply manually edit it and it will not affect your referencing style. If you want to change the referencing style, go to change citation style. Currently it is selected American Psychological Association. You can select any of them like IEEE, update citation style, and it will update. Vancouver, update citation style. If you want to search for any other style like University of the West of England, Harvard, select this, update citation style, and here you go. So all the references are now in UV Harvard referencing style. So this was a very brief introduction about the use of Mendeley. If you have any questions related to the use of Mendeley, please feel free to ask any questions that you may have. Thank you very much.